Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So again, selling today I'm coming up to you with a very simple eye look with a bold lip. If you're interested, you want to see how I achieve this look, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. And also bear it in mind, this look, you don't have to be your everyday, it don't have to be your everyday look. You can also go for a wedding, a party, birthday party. Does it really matter? The most important thing is that we love the look and we look put together. So what are we not saying? What are we not talking? Anyway guys, just stick around and enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Okay. So what's up guys? So as you can tell, my face is super bare, so I'm going to start up today doing my eyebrow before, but for the meantime I'm just going to moisturize my lips using the Vaseline to get my lips ready for lipstick later on. So yeah, I'm just going to do my eyebrow before, like I said, using the hudabeauty loose bakery setting powder. I'm just going to set my brow because you know your girl brow is always oiling. Okay, I do have an eyebrow in depth. I'm going to leave it down below as well, up right here. So yeah, for the brow product, I'm going to be taking the ABH deep brow pomade in the shade ebony, and taking the BH cosmetic angle brush and taking the spoolie from Louis Cosmetic. I'm just going to brush my brow towards upwards. So yeah, I'm just going to start up making the stroke from the bottom. I'm going to start not at the beginning of my eyebrow. I'm just going to start at least backward a little bit so that the front of our brow is not too ashy. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to I'm just going to take this Benefit brow scent. I'm just going to, in number 6, I'm just going to take that to bring down the sharpness of the ABH deep brow pomade. I do love to use these two product on my brow every now and then because I don't like the harshness of it. It's too bright. So to clean my eyebrow, I'm going to be taking the fentybeauty concealer in the shade 410. I'm just going to do a stroke dot up as well. So I'm just going to go in with the best up synthetic brush. I'm just going to use that to blend that. Make sure you blend your eyebrow on top of your eyebrow properly. We don't need those harshness. Okay, for my eye, I'm going to be taking the Urban Decay primer potion. I'm just going to apply that on my lid. So I'm just going to use my finger to dab. We are good to go. So guys, for eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking the NYX Ultra Matte eyeshadow palette. I'm loving this palette a lot. Perfect for the season. Like seriously, I'm going to be taking that beautiful kind of dark yellow shade. I'm just going to apply that all over my lid, nothing too much. Okay, I'm taking that orange using the best up blend brush. I'm just going to apply that on my lid, not all over, on my lid area. Okay, I'm just going to dab because I don't want something too much, something too crazy, because the lips is already bold enough. So yeah, I'm just going to use the brush once again, the one I use to apply the yellow shade. So I'm just going to spray my brush a little bit with the Fix Plus by MAC. I'm taking that kind of peachy shimmer shade exactly on my mobile lid. I'm not transferring that shade to any other place. I just want it to be on my mobile lid, kind of halo effect, if that makes sense. So move to my face using my Radar my eye and primer. This is by YSL. I'm just going to prime my face. Okay, I'm just going to do a pump it up and I'm using my Dior Beauty blender just to use that to do the primer, the work, to do the work. Okay, I'm going to use that to do the work, just to, you know, apply it all over my face. And yeah, I'm going to be using my Guerlain terracotta foundation in the shade bronze. This foundation, guys, I was a bit carried away, don't get me wrong. I was a bit carried away. It was too much because it's a super full coverage foundation, but I noticed immediately, so I had to take a little bit off of my face because I don't want to be regretting later. I don't want to look like mask later. Okay, so yeah, as you can tell, my face is super matte, full coverage foundation, like seriously. So for the brush I'm using is by Louis Cosmetics Kabuki foundation brush. So yeah, and to highlight all those places that needs to be glowing, that needs to be popping, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix NW42. I'm just going to, you know, do those jars that I normally do. Those jars. The only thing I didn't do is I did not contour. I did not do cream contour because I want this look to be light as much as possible. Okay, I don't want a heavy look. I don't want a heavy look at all. So with this look, like I said, you can always go out with it. It can be your everyday routine. It doesn't matter. The most important thing, we look put together. What are we not saying, dollies? Anyway, guys, I'm going to be using the hudabeauty loose bakery setting powder. I'm just going to set to place that is a lighter concealer. So moving to my waterline, I'm going to be taking the NYX gel liner. I'm not doing a wing liner today. I'm just going to buff that on my waterline because I want my waterline to be a bit, my lower lash a bit dramatic. Okay, I'm going to be taking the shade, the one I used on my crease earlier on, which is the orange shade. I'm just going to take this Louvier angle brush. I'm just going to blend that. We are good. So yeah, to buff all the excess powder on my face, to set my face, I'm going to be using the fentybeauty, the Pro Fill powder in hazelnut. So yeah, as you can see on my jaw, under my chin, I have a little bit breakouts. What, like seriously? So yeah, I'm not setting my nose. I'm just going to make my nose look put together, to look, make it sculptured. Okay, so yeah, for blush, I'm going to be taking this beautiful blush. It's like a bronzer. I'm just going to apply that on the place I'm supposed to be contouring. So yeah, I'm just going to be taking this Bobbi Brown shimmer highlighter. This one is called Coreal. I'm just going to apply that on my cheeks, on the hollows of my cheeks, So yeah, for highlight to glow to the girls, I'm going to be taking the Catrice limited edition highlighter. It also has a blush, and the blush is also a highlighter, but I decided to go for the champagne shade. I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown eye blender to do that. Okay, for my face to look put together, or creasing, or oiling, or stay in place, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water. I'm just going to use that. Close your mouth, girl. I need some flavor in my mouth. I need some sweetness in my mouth. Okay, I'm hungry. Mascara, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Like seriously, this mascara is obsession, but the only problem, the brush is just too large and it's not well arranged. Normally I will use a small one on my lower lash line, but it's out, so I had to get another one, so I had to deal with the brush. Okay, so yeah, for lashes, I'm going to be doing this off camera. I'm going to be setting my brow using the Alveda brow gel for my brow not to be kissing the wings. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm going to be going in with the MAC liquid lipstick. This one is called Fashion Legacy. Beautiful, super rich. Wow, I love this lipstick a lot. I've had this lipstick for years now. I do use it on occasionally, not every day. Baby food. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think if you watched this video to the end, if it was helpful, inspiration, if it inspire you. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and comment as well. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, ciao. Mwah. Stop us, fly by them like choppers, better took those risks, hold one of my fists, we fire starters, let's go, one out of a million will reach those heights, always had a feeling that I won't deny.